Starting a business in 2024 could be a promising venture, especially considering the shifts in global market trends, technological advancements, and consumer preferences. Here are some of the best 12 business ideas to consider. Number 1. Sustainable and eco-friendly products. Businesses that focus on sustainability are on the rise. This could include products like biodegradable goods, zero-waste packaging, or sustainable fashion. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, they are willing to pay a premium for products that do not harm the planet. Number 2. Health and wellness services. The demand for health and wellness products and services has been growing, especially post-pandemic. This can range from mental health apps to fitness programs, nutritional supplements, and wellness retreats. Number 3. Remote work solutions. With remote work becoming more common, there is a growing need for services that support this lifestyle. This includes virtual team management tools, ergonomic home office products, and remote team building services. Number 4. E-learning platforms. The education sector has seen a significant shift towards online learning. Starting an e-learning platform that offers unique courses, professional development, or tutoring services could capture a large market. Number 5. Renewable energy solutions. Investing in renewable energy projects or starting a business that helps homeowners and businesses transition to renewable energy sources like solar or wind could be highly lucrative as the world moves towards greener alternatives. Number 6. Aging population services. Products and services tailored to the elderly, such as senior living facilities, in-home care services, and telemedicine for chronic management, cater to a rapidly growing demographic. Number 7. Tech-driven agriculture. Agri-tech businesses that use technology to improve farm productivity and sustainability, such as vertical farming or precision agriculture, are gaining traction. Number 8. Cultural and experiential travel. As travel rebounds, there is a heightened interest in unique, culturally enriching, and sustainable travel experiences. A business that curates such experiences or offers localized travel planning could be successful. Number 9. Artificial intelligence services. AI continues to be a hot sector, with applications ranging from AI-powered analytics services to AI-driven content creation tools. There's a wide range of possibilities depending on your expertise. Number 10. Subscription boxes. Customized subscription services in niches like gourmet food, books, or even self-care products remain popular due to the convenience and personalization they offer. Number 11. Cybersecurity solutions. As more businesses go digital, the need for cybersecurity solutions to protect sensitive data and maintain privacy standards is crucial. Number 12. Virtual reality experiences. VR is not just for gaming. Applications in training, education, real estate, and even therapy are expanding the market for VR content creators and technology providers. Each of these business ideas taps into current trends and consumer demands. Success in these fields will often depend on a combination of innovative thinking, a solid business plan, and an understanding of the target market.